Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Madhu and today I am back with a new video. It's been very long. So today we are going to explore a new garden in Hyderabad. It's called NTR Garden. So let's go with me. Come on. Hello guys, so we have reached Miapur metro station as you can see over here. So from here we are going to go towards the garden. So this is the first time we are trying out metro of Hyderabad. Before that we used to always travel via cabs and autos and everything. But this is the first time we're going to see how metro of Hyderabad looks. Miapur metro station is a very nice metro station with a lot of gardens and greenery over here. Hello guys, we have reached Khairatabad metro station over here. So from here we'll be going to NTR Garden. And this is the Khairatabad metro station. Guys, I don't know if you can see, but behind me is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar statue. Okay, so this B.R. Ambedkar statue, something which I can see from my home. This same statue I'm able to see from here, from this Khairabad metro station. And you can see the statue. A little more closer look. Yeah. This is from Khairabad metro station. So this metro station is quite clean, spacious, and right now, since we are not in office timing, so obviously the crowd is very less. Hopefully the same amount of crowd should be there in the normal days, but yeah, today, since there was no office, I believe that is the reason why this metro station is so less crowded. One very interesting fact about this metro station is that I could see a lot of female drivers for the metro station, so that makes it very special. So I'm very proud that females are driving this metro, and it's amazing to see that. This metro station is the closest metro station for visiting NTR Garden, Lumbini Park, Birla Mandir, Hussain Sagar, and so on. Going towards NTR Garden. So we are traveling in like the lunchtime period, but still we can see a lot of traffic. It's a Saturday, it's a weekend day, but still as we are going, we can see a lot of traffic over here. So when you're planning, keep in mind, since obviously this is a very famous tourist spot, so traffic is going to be there. Checking and taking the top view of traffic.
We are in the midway of Khairabad road, and we are now going to Indian Garden, and hope we can beat the traffic here just like we did from Miapur to Khairabad. So it was a very peaceful travel in this traffic hours. But yeah, the traffic is very high, and we are enjoying the traffic.
We have reached NTR Ghat, also known as NTR Memorial. Sprawling across an area of 55 acres, it houses the memorial of the great leader of Andhra Pradesh, late N.T. Rama Rao. The park was created by the government of Andhra Pradesh with a lavish budget of 40 crores in order to honor the respectable leader. Can you see over here? There were a lot of bats that we could see. And from this particular area, from the tomb or the memorial, we could see the Secretariat building of Telangana. Guys, we are at the tomb which is located besides the NTR garden, and it's really really beautiful. So from here we can see the Secretariat building and the beauty of the garden. Well, welcome to NTR Gardens. I really like the sound of the fountain, the natural fountain, and look at the beauty over here. NTR Gardens is a small public urban park of 15 hectares adjacent to Hussain Sagar Lake in Hyderabad, where earlier a thermal power
Guys,
station building
finally
stood.
reached NTR Gardens.
These structures that you can see on your screens, these grayish, diamondish kind of a structure, are the ticket counters of NTR Garden. Guys, so this is the entrance from where we enter into the NTR Garden. This is the same Dr. B.R. Ambedkar statue. Finally entering the NTR Gardens and checking out the entire greenery entrance, what all things are there inside the NTR Garden. This is the beautiful NTR Garden, and this is the Secretariat building. So from NTR Garden, you can see the Secretariat building. Going inside Secretariat building is obviously not allowed, so this is the closest we all can get. NTR Garden was quite clean, and the weather over here was very, very pleasant. As and when we were entering the garden, we could see many, many fountains. And this that you can see on your screens is a water slide. So I was really surprised to see a water slide because I was not expecting it genuinely. But yeah, if you want to have a water slide, you can definitely try this one. It's really very exciting. And as every garden over here also there was a gift shop, so you can buy anything that you want if you have to buy something. And as and when we were going, we could see many other things over here, like the food court.
Guys, we are sitting in NTR Garden and having some lunch. Let me show you what I have got in lunch.
Guys, this is methi paratha.
Okay guys, we had our lunch, very quick lunch it was, and now we are heading out. So we have covered a lot of things in NTR Garden, the natural beauty, the shops, and many more things.
NTR Garden tour comes to an end. Now we are going towards Lumbini Park.
Now we are planning to go to Lumbini Park. All set.
To go to Lumbini Park. Woohoo! On the way of Lumbini Park, we can see Dr. B.R. Ambedkar statue, and we can also see the Telangana Secretariat building. They look spectacular on the way while going towards the Lumbini Park. Finally, we have reached the Lumbini Park. Now, the place that you can see right here, it's the Hussain Sagar Lake. This is a man-made lake, and we are going to be visiting this lake and actually will be on this lake soon. So yeah, this is Hussain Sagar, very famous lake of Telangana, Hyderabad. And you can also see our national flag over here.
Just enjoying the views of Hussain Sagar Lake and seeing what are the boats available over here. So we have to be on the lake. So there are many ways through which we can go on the lake. We can use a speed boat, deluxe family boat. We can also use a dance boat, that was very interesting. And you can also use a family boat. So we decided to go on two types of boat. One was speed boat and another was mechanized boat. We are going for the speedboat ride. Speedboat rules, gotta wear the life jacket. Finally, I have put on the life jacket. We can clearly see that a speedboat is approaching us. This is the same thing which we'll be doing. So we have taken our ticket and we are standing in the line. Next is going to be our chance for sitting in the speedboat. So we have booked the entire speedboat. Very, very excited to be there. Hussain Sagar Lake, evening time, and the speedboat. Here we come. It's just so amazing to be there and do this activity. Woohoo! Cannot even wait to be on the speedboat. So now you can see all the speedboats are returning after completing their ride, and we are going to be the next for riding the speedboat. It's that time we are all trying to enter the speedboat, and mind it, guys, this entire speedboat is all ours. So, guys, hello, we are in the speedboat and we have the entire speedboat to ourselves. No one else is there and we are going. Okay, this is the speedboat. It's starting, the boat ride is starting finally. This is the speedboat, guys. Last with it. So right now we are going at the top speed of the speedboat, almost just beside the statue. Almost on the verge of completing our speedboat ride. Oh my god, what thrill! And the speed was unmatched. We completed our speedboat ride and it was so nice. I cannot even explain in words. The speedboat was so fast and it was really thrilling. Right now, we are going for the mechanized boat ride to see the Buddha statue in Hussain Sagar Lake. So, these mechanized boats are usually huge boats which carry almost 100 passengers. So this boat are the only boats that will go to the Buddha statue. Guys, we took the boat ride and right now we are just in front of the Buddha statue, and now we are all actually going from the boat ride towards the Buddha statue, and I'm taking the final views of this amazing mechanized boat which carries 100 passengers at the single time. Look at this beautiful Buddha statue. Guys, we are standing in front of statue of Buddha, and to reach here we have taken a boat ride and it was really amazing. So right now that you can see behind me is statue of Buddha. And that was the boat ride using which we have come. So we are just going around in like besides the statue of Buddha, and just look at the intricate designs over here. The Shoka Chakra design. The craftsmanship is really beautiful of this Buddha statue, and it's worth seeing. Have completed our statue of Buddha visit, and now we are heading towards our ferry boat so that we can now return statue of Buddha. This is the mechanized boat which carries 100 passengers, and we are going to return in this boat. We are sitting inside the ferry boat to go towards our Lumbini Park. We are returning to Lumbini Park. Spectacular views. So on the way back to the Lumbini Park, we can see Dr. B.R. Ambedkar statue and the Secretariat Telangana building. So the view was really nice, and the Telangana building was lit up because it was evening time. And can you see a little bit more closely the B.R. Ambedkar statues there? behind me, the Secretariat building has been lit up. It's the evening time, so the Secretariat building of Telangana is looking so nice. Hussain Sagar Lake was a long due that today we have completed. It's a must visit from my side. And with that, we have come to the end of this vlog. We saw the amazing NTR Memorial, then we saw NTR Gardens, and then we saw the magnificent Lumbini Park, Hussain Sagar Lake, the Buddha statue. We also saw B.R. Ambedkar statue, and it was a very nice time. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you liked this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my video. Take care. Bye bye.